everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Zanussi brand washing machine and it's giving you an E11 error and you're wondering what is this error and what can I do to get rid of it. So first of all, the E11 error is a water fill issue. So what happens is you start a cycle and the machine tries to fill with water. It gives itself a certain amount of time, and after that time is passed, if there's not enough water in there, it'll stop and it'll give you this error. So all you need to do to get rid of this error and get your washing machine working again is to get water flowing to your washing machine. So the main reason that's going to happen is we're just going to look at where the water comes into the machine. From all the way, the most upstream of the whole thing would be, has the water to your house been cut off? And if that happens, then you're going to get this error. But if you got water to your house, the next thing you want to do is come into where our washing machine hooks up to the water. There's going to be a valve. We're going to make sure that valve is all the way open, all the way to the left, all the way counterclockwise. All right, I'll turn it all the way till it stops. Once that's done, if that doesn't get rid of the error, we're going to check the hose itself. And because sometimes when we install or when we move a washing machine, we can end up pinching or kinking or bending the hose in such a way that the water cannot flow through properly. Even if some water is getting through, if it's not enough, you can still get this error. So make sure there's nothing preventing water from flowing through that hose. If you're able to check those things, you should be able to get water back to your machine and get rid of this error and get things working again. So anyways, hope this video helped you. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.